That's how we handle it. We try to like even it's not just us. Individually, we have to take care of ourselves, but
Okay.
there are other things as well. We used to have a little long hours of shoot. The production helped us there. Uh,
Yeah.
have a little more security. No other person is actually allowed. Even there are a lot of people who want to meet us. We want them to meet us because all of the Radhakrishna fans, they are the reason why we are still working,
Yeah.
why we feel loved as an actor, as an artist, and every artist is blessed to have people appreciating
Yeah.
uh, his or her work. So we have that, but then the restrictions which we have to follow them. The mask which we have, we have
Yeah.
to. This is a very important thing. So all
Yeah,
these
hand
things.
sanitizer बहुत important है. Very important. Very
Uh,
important. Oke, nah jadi ternyata nggak cuma di sini aja ya Antv Lovers, di sana pun juga kalau misalnya apa ya teman-teman kita, teman-teman, maksudnya Sumet dan Malika syuting di India juga sama menerapkan yang namanya protokol kesehatan. Apalagi kan masih pandemi gini kan, tapi mereka harus syuting, mereka tuh rajin yang namanya apa cuci tangan atau pakai hand sanitizer, terus tetap budayakan memakai masker kalau nggak lagi on cam gitu ya, tetap berusaha untuk jaga jarak, jaga kebersihan dan pastinya menjaga kesehatan dengan meminum vitamin gitu. Jadi mereka juga menerapkan 3M tuh sama kayak kita gitu ya. Oke, okay. So for Malika, I heard that this is your first series. Is that
Yeah,
right? Okay.
yeah.
So can you tell us how did you get this role?
It's a long story, like any other struggler or an actor. Even I wanted to be an actor, or not basically an actor, but an artist.
Mm-hmm.
So I had been through a lot, like in a positive, you can say. Also, the ups and downs I faced. Like it was very tough for me because I never knew what acting was. So
Mm-hmm.
I've never been to any workshop or anything before the show,
Mm-hmm.
before getting into this. So it was quite a hard journey. Like I used to, my mom always used to be there for me, and I had faced rejections, but even I had faced everything like anybody. So I would say almost it's been 4 years since we got selected. Then again, there was a gap in between. The show was on hold. So later we got back after 2 years of break, maybe. Yes.
Okay,
So
and
it has been a long journey.
yeah,
So
journey. And finally, you're here now. We can watch you as Radha, and you have a lot of fans, especially in Indonesia. Oke, nah jadi nih ya kalau misalnya untuk Antv Lovers yang ngefans banget sama Malika Singh, ini kan memang apa ya serial pertamanya Malika yang dia mainin dan dia bilang emang saya sebenarnya cita-citanya itu awalnya pengen banget jadi seniman gitu, tapi kan belum pernah belajar acting sebelumnya, belum pernah photoshoot, belum pernah syuting-syuting gitu, dia belum pernah. Ini yang Radha Krisya nih benar-benar debut pertamanya Malika Singh gitu. Dan dia juga bilang untuk bisa memerankan Radha awal-awalnya juga butuh penyesuaian yang panjang. It's a long journey katanya, proses saya tuh panjang. Tapi ya apa dia terus belajar gitu kan, belajar acting dan dari awal proses sampai sekarang tuh selalu ada ibunya yang membantu dia gitu dalam pekerjaannya sebagai seorang actress gitu ya. Dan ya sampai akhirnya ya Malika bisa ngebawain peran Radha dengan bagus banget gitu. Dan kalian bisa lihat di serial Radha Krishna. Oke. Okay, Malika. After that, I want to ask Sumet. Sumet, besides acting, you are also a good dancer, a very good dancer. Do you have any, your favorite dancer or someone who you really look up to, your idol in dancing, or actor maybe?
there are a lot of actors, there are a lot of dancers. I think so. What is the best part about this art is that it's very hard to say that there's one person who will stay best from start to the end. After every checkpoint, you see that there are a lot more new people coming in. There are a
Yeah,
lot more talented people. There are a lot more people who have explored this art much more than what others have did or you have did, and that's the best part about art. I feel so. There are a lot of people who work really hard, who are very creative, and who are very passionate. But every single time, somebody just surprises me, like, oh, what was this? Where did this person come from? How much talent does he have? And next time, somebody comes who's much better than him as well. So I think so. By the end of the day, people who feel dancing or acting, and they feel inside their heart, I think so that they are the true winners, because I feel it's about it's about feeling the art. It's about feeling a little more complete with art, because passion, your any kind of art, whether it be playing music, whether it be listening to music, whether it be listening to music is not an art, but I can explain you through that. Acting for me, dancing for me, these things complete me as a person. I feel at peace when I do these things. And, there's always something new to look up to. A lot of favorite people.
Okay. So you have a lot of your favorite, lot
I
of
mean,
favorite
you
idols.
had a very simple question. I just did like this. I confused even myself, but that's what I felt.
It's okay, it's okay. So, jadi Sumet bilang katanya banyak banget aktor dan penari yang jadi inspirasinya dia untuk bisa menjadi seperti sekarang ini gitu. Apalagi kan di India tuh menari, jadi acting tuh sambil nari itu merupakan bagian dari kebudayaan mereka kan. Bisa dilihat dari film-filmnya, dari serial-serialnya. Dan menurut Sumet banyak banget nih sosok-sosok yang menginspirasi, yang menginspirasi dia untuk bisa menjadi aktor seperti sekarang ini gitu. Dan menurut dia dia nggak bisa milih salah satu siapa yang dia paling suka, karena semua orang itu punya kelebihan gitu ya, punya sesuatu hal yang bisa dia kagumi untuk kemudian dia pelajari dari setiap orang. Dan dia bilang pokoknya selama orang itu suka dengan apa yang dia kerjakan, apapun itu bidangnya, selama kamu suka pasti kamu akan menghasilkan yang terbaik gitu katanya Sumet ya. Nah, okay, so we have another fans who wants to say hi again. You don't mind, right? So for
No.
Malika and Sumet, can you repeat the name after me, and then you can say hi or whatever you want to say. Okay, the first one we have Echadui.
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 We love you, Echadui. God bless you. Keep smiling, and may you have a wonderful, wonderful life.
Okay, and then the next one, Naya.
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 Hi Naya, we cannot see you or any of you, but thanks for being here and watching us live, and lots of love. Take care, stay safe, and have a blessed life.
We love you. Take care.
Love.
Wow, Naya must be very happy right now. Okay, and the last one is Nirwan. Nirwan.
Nirwan.
Yes, Nirwan.
Yes, lots of love to you as well. Wherever you are, just stay safe, take care of yourself, stay happy, keep your family happy, and just rise, grow as a person, as a human being, as a professional, and lots of love to you.
Okay, that's very nice, both of you. I bet your fans are thrilled right now, very happy. They must be very happy to have you guys saying hi to them. Very nice. So before we end our conversation, can you say something to all the Radha Krishna fans in Indonesia, to all the Antv lovers who are watching right now? Is there any messages for all of them?
As an actor, as a person who belongs to the show Radha Krishna, and on behalf of my team, I just know that what everybody wants and means and needs is that your love, Indonesia. We need your love, your support, and we would really like to earn it. So if you think that we guys are doing good work, if you think that we deserve some love from your side, so please give us as much as you can. And we just hope that through our work we try to get some happiness and positivity in your lives, and we are trying really hard for it. We just hope you guys like it. And we all love you for the support you've shown. We all love you for the love you've shown. And we, as a complete team, as Sumit, Malika, Basant, Rishi, Kartike, everyone, we all love you a lot. And
Oh, that's
we are
nice.
blessed to, get this love and support from you guys. Thank you so much.
We love you too, guys. We all love you too. Spread the love. How about Malika? Is there any messages for all your fans, Radha Krishna fans in Indonesia?
Thanks for having us here. Thanks for loving us so much. And we are really blessed to be sitting here in front of you guys, and you are seeing us live today. And thank you so much. Love you. Love you a lot.
We love you too. Thank you so much. Okay, take care, guys.
You too.
Shukriya.
Thank you so much, Bella. Acha,
You're welcome. Thank you so
also
much.
do a very commendable job. It's very difficult, I feel. And thank you so much. It was the first time we both had a conversation with you. And anybody from Indonesia, we really
Yes.
feel blessed. Thank you so much for it.
Come to Indonesia. We'll wait. We'll wait.
Bella, actually, you are a. I don't know if I should say this, but you are a part of our daily life. You know, the residence we live at, it's Bella.
Oh. Actually, your name Sumet is very common in Indonesia.
Is it?
Yes, yes. So for sure you have to come here, so you'll know more about our culture. Very interesting, and there's a lot of similarities to Indian culture as well.
Definitely.
Okay, so we'll wait both of you to come to Indonesia
Sure. We wish to come as soon as possible, as soon as this.
as soon as this pandemic over. Amen. Okay, so take care, stay healthy, stay safe, Sumet and Malika. Shukriya, Danewat. Thank you. Terima kasih.
क्या सीखा था? We love you. क्या था? How do we say we love you? Indonesia again, please.
Saya cinta kamu Indonesia.
Saya cinta kamu Indonesia.
Okay. Bye. Thank
Bye.
you guys.
Thank you.
Itu dia tadi ya, Malika dan Sumet. Aduh, manis banget ya mereka berdua. Semoga aja nanti kesampaian deh bisa datang langsung ke Indonesia. Jadi kita semua penggemarnya bisa ketemu langsung sama idola kita. Setuju ya? Nah, jangan lupa nih saksikan Radha Krishna di Antv setiap Senin sampai dengan Minggu pukul 19, maksudnya jam 7 malam ya, pukul 19 waktu Indonesia Barat di Antv. 19 ya, pukul 19 waktu Indonesia Barat di Antv. Jangan lupa juga untuk selalu menerapkan 3M, yaitu memakai masker, mencuci tangan, dan juga menjaga jarak. Bella Fauzi pamit undur diri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you. Dadah.